Welcome back guys. So now we are going to learn how you can put a text around an image. What I mean by that. So as you can see that there is a letter D over here and it is going below the image and then above it. So it is basically wrapping around it. So let me show you how you can do it too. Let me just delete these two layers so that I could show you from the start. So you might have figured out by now what I have done. I will simply make selection of the subject first. Let's make it bigger. Select the plus icon and make a rough selection of the subject. Select the hair too. And this area, by the way, selecting hair properly is quite difficult. So I will be teaching that in a couple of tutorials too. Let's zoom in a little. Make sure that we select the hand properly. And the legs. Don't worry if you select things wrong. You can always come back and refine it. So select these areas. So we have made the basic selection. I will click on the -1 and just remove all the extra areas. Similarly over here. Let's zoom out. And we will simply create a layer mask on the subject and the background is gone. So there is one mistake which I made, and that is that I should have created a copy of the layer so that we would have the background. So no problem. I will simply duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J and just remove the mask of this layer. Delete layer mask. So this is the normal layer now and this is the one with the mask. So let's select the text tool and write some text over here. I have this very good font over here which is called Back to Black, and I will write the letter capital D over here and let's make it bigger. And I guess this is all right. So this one is just like the tutorial in which we put the text behind the image. So if I put this text behind it, so since this layer is on the top, the text is behind it, but we want the text to go under it and over the subject. So let me show you how you can do it. All you have to do is just select the layer mask, select the brush tool, and with the black brush, because we want to remove areas, I will select the black brush and I will simply hide this area to show the text below it. So if I move it over here, you can see that this loop of the text is going over it. We can do it over here too, or maybe over here. So just like that, it seems like that our text is wrapped around the subject. How easy was that? So as you can see, once you have learned the basics, you can make all kind of designs very easily. And it starts to become very interesting. So I will see you guys in the next one.